What I saw in WPX was the opportunity to lead a true transformation and a turnaround of a company. What I've learned about WPX since joining is the strength of our people. And what I see is a passion that's been pent up, really has not been unleashed, and I'm starting to see more and more of that. We're going to have a big focus, big push on leadership across the organization, all levels, all departments. It's not just one person or a handful of folks, it's across the organization. And I'm real excited about getting that going. The vision that we have for this company that is by the year 2020, in the next 5 or 6 years, we will triple the size of our company. That'll deliver 20% compounded annual average growth rate, and that's a very attractive target to strive for. I think it's doable. I think it's very comprehensive. I think it's pretty exciting. We want WPX to be known throughout industry as a nimble, aggressive, creative E&P company. I'm going to go back to my very first day at WPX, and that's when we communicated that there were 3 fundamental things that we need to accomplish, and that is integrity, that is scalability, and that is identity. If we can do those 3 things, we're going to be able to deliver on this strategy. I'm very confident in that. The Piceance, Bakken, San Juan are going to be core to our strategy as we go forward. The Piceance offers up some exploration potential in the Mancos and the Niobrara. Bakken is 85% crude oil. Crude oil right now enjoys very much a favorable pricing scenario, if you will, to what natural gas does. And I've worked in the Williston Basin now nearly 30 years, or over 30 years actually. And it's a great place to work. We're going to start seeing performance go up. I think you're going to see margins go up. In other words, profitability goes up. And so I really like the Bakken assets that we have. San Juan is an area that we have a great foundation of infrastructure. We have over doubled our inventory and acreage out in the Gallup play. And remember, that's the highest returns we have in the country. The best thing we can do here at WPX is be balanced and have investment opportunities that are top tier regardless of whether they're oil or whether they're gas. If natural gas prices really get depressed again like they were a few years ago, we now have oil assets that we can ramp up on, and we can keep our revenues growing because of that. If we have a shortage of natural gas and we start seeing prices really start working their way up, we have a lot of options in the Piceance and San Juan that we can really capitalize on. We have several levers that we can pull with our investments that will deliver the kind of returns that we want. So I really want us to build a single culture. And that culture is simply one that acts quickly, that acts decisively, is accountable, shows leadership. We're going to need all of those sort of things as we all strive to achieve our vision of 2020, and that is tripling the size of the company. We have to act quickly. We have to move. We have to get going. We have to be calculated risk takers. We want to build one culture because we're going to be on one mission, and that is to deliver long-term value and grow this company and do it in a way that is extremely exciting. We want our investors to be happy that they invested in us here at WPX. I've invested in it. I've invested a great deal in it. We want our investors to continue to place bets on us, that we are the team that they want to bet on. We want our employees to be very engaged, and we want our employees to be happy and be proud that they wear the WPX insignia. One culture, one vision, one mission.